Okay, we're going to continue on this. So I covered the downflow. So downflow, I don't know. I can show you, well, I don't even know if we have one here at the office. Anyway, of the scenario. So the AC is out there. The line set, like I mentioned to you, that's what carries the refrigerant. And I think my next drawing will be kind of understanding the refrigerant cycle. Okay, this next scenario I'm going to give you, it's a bigger house. So let's look at it here, try to keep the lights out of it. I've got a couple of systems in this house. This is a house that, say, pretend it's an old house and they have a boiler system. Okay, a boiler system is the most comfortable heat. So basically it's using hot water. So it's heating, it's gas oriented to make its heat. Anyway, so these radiators get really hot and they radiate heat. So it's not blowing anything, but it radiates heat. Some people have boilers. You still have to have a flue for where the carbon monoxide needs to get out of the house. Anytime you have anything that is a gas-oriented fixture, like whether it's a fireplace, like a gas fireplace, gas furnace, gas boiler, gas water heater, you always have to have a flue because gas and fire always makes carbon monoxide. You gotta learn that. So this is an air handler. So if we come across somebody and they have a boiler, the difference with the boiler is it makes heat, but it does not make air conditioning. So it's great that they have this boiler, but it was a house built at a time where they did the boiler, but air conditioning was not a normal thing to have in a house. So when they want to add air conditioning, that means they have to add duct work, but then they have to add this whole other system that's an AC only system. Now kind of forget for a second that says heat pump, okay, because we're going to get back to that. So pretend that this is an AC like this is an air conditioner, okay? Air conditioners and heat pumps are virtually identical looking, besides a heat pump is on legs. So we're gonna pretend like it's an AC. So what we have to have is an outdoor unit that's an air conditioning unit, but we have to be able to move the air, which is an air handler. Furnaces, in this scenario here, have a fan on the inside of it and it moves the air. An air conditioning system by itself, like this air conditioner out here and this coil in here by itself, it will make these lines cold and they're cold, but nothing is blowing the air to get it into the house. The furnace blows the air. If you don't have a furnace, because you have a boiler, that means you need an air mover or an air handler. So this is the other side of the AC. That's kind of this coil connected to this air conditioner. But here is our blower. Okay, I'm going to come back to this and we're going to stop now.